Hello everyone, welcome to ETHIO. This is Solomon. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to create realistic materials for glass cleaner product in Blender. Welcome to part 3 of our materials tutorial. Please support us by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on the notification bell for updates. Stay tuned until the end. Let's get started. Leave this window as a 3D viewport. First, press 0 to switch to camera view. Next, change the 3D viewport to node editor. Expand the objects under the MPT to create materials for it. Select the bottle to create its material. Go to the Material tab and press New. Rename this material to Bottle. And change the diffuse to Principled BSDF. Switch to render view to see the result without material. Since the bottle's material is plastic and transparent, set transmission to 1 and the base color is full white. Adjust roughness to 0.05 for a slightly rougher finish. Change the IOR value to 1.5, which is the typical value for plastic material. And reduce specularity to 0.4 since it's not glass. Now let's view the render for our bottle material. Switch back to solid mode. Next, select the cap. Press New in the material properties. Primarily switch from diffuse to principled for users of version 2.79. Set the base color to blue. The hex code I use is 060098. To focus on the cap, press Ctrl B to select the render boundary. Switch to render view. Adjust the specular value to 0.5 and increase roughness to 0.3. Now we have rough plastic material and we'll keep the rest unchanged. Rename this material to cap. Now select the filter. To focus on it in render view, press Ctrl B. Press New to create a material and rename it to filter. Assign the cap material to it, which is very straightforward. Moving on to the liquid material. Select the liquid object and press New. Use Ctrl B to select the render boundary around the bottle in the liquid. Change the diffuse to principled. The base color should be light blue. The hex code I use is C0BCF6. Specularity to 0.5 and roughness to 0. Adjust IOR value to 1.3 for liquid. Press Shift A, navigate to shader and add volume absorption. Connect it to output volume. This volume absorption is primarily used for glass and liquid color, allowing easy adjustments to color strings. And change the base color to blue. The hex code I used is 0000ED. Switch to solid mode. Increasing density will saturate the color. The material shows no change because the transmission value is 0. To fix it, since the liquid is transparent, set transmission to 1. Reducing the density to 1 will change the color to light blue. I used a value of 8, which you can adjust as desired. Now switch to render view. To enhance the liquid's appearance, go to the Scene tab. Under Color Management, change the render view from default to Filmic and set the look to medium high contrast or high contrast. We have completed the liquid material. For the main cap, select it. Press New under the Material tab. Switch to solid mode and rename it to main cap. Change from diffuse to principal. To view the material, use Ctrl B to select the render boundary and change the base color to full white. The remaining parts are similar to the blue cap material as they are both plastics. Specular to 0.5 and roughness at 0.3. Now select the ring. Press Ctrl B to select the render boundary around it and press New. Switch back to solid mode. Rename this material to ring and change the diffuse to principal. Set the base color to white and the hex code I used is E7, E7, E7. Since this ring is slightly transparent, set transmission to 0.5 and roughness to 0.4. You can tweak the transmission value if desired. Now switch to render view. Switch back to solid mode. For the straw, go to the material tab, press New and rename it straw. These names help identify materials easily. Change the diffuse to principal. Set the base color to full white and transmission to 1. Reduce specularity to 0.3 and roughness to 0.2 for rough, low specularity material. Go to the trigger material, which is similar to the cap and filter material. Press New and select the cap material from the list. Finally, let's create the material for the label. Select the label, go to material and press New. Rename it to label and switch from diffuse to principal. Press Ctrl T to add texture mapping with Node Wrangler. If you haven't installed Node Wrangler, add it in user preference. Drag to split the view, changing from Node Editor to UV Image Editor. Press Open to import the label image I prepared. Switch to Edit mode. Press U for UV mapping and select Unwrap. In the UV editor, move the selected UV to align with the image. Select the same imported image and press Shift A, then go to Converter and add a color ramp. Connect the color ramp to the roughness to define specularity and rough areas on the label. Black represents specular and white indicates roughness. Switch to render view and observe the black letters becoming highly specular. Select the white color and adjust it halfway to 0.5, which will crush gray tones to white, minimizing unwanted specularity outside of the letters. The image remains very specular due to the black, so adjust the black to gray to reduce specularity. To view the color label image, connect it to the base color. To add bump to the text, press Shift A, navigate to Vector, and select bump. Connect the color ramp to bump height and link normal to normal. Hold Ctrl and Shift, then select the bump to view the material directly. The bump is correctly inward but has excess strength. Let's reduce it to 0.1, which is still too high. So we will lower it to 0.05. Lastly, connect the principal to the output. This is the final render. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and join our community. Until next time, goodbye.